Hello everybody, my name is Jeremy and this is project 4 of our Apple Objective-C programming language part 2. Um, Still a little sick. My daughter's actually very sick, so probably why I'm here a little late. But I got my app up and running. One thing I was not able to get was the singleton. As you can see here, I have it commented out. Um, Even when we're going through the videos the first time around, I could not get it to work. Um, Fortunately, since we kind of went over the delegates not too much afterwards, kind of didn't even look back on it. I figured, hey, those are workaround, so I'm gonna go ahead and use that instead. Um, Turns out that smacked me in the face today because I still can't get the singletons to work. Got the code down here in there. I didn't get no errors. It just wouldn't work on me. I have all the singleton code down here. I put it down here so it's out of the way. Um, I even used exact phrases that were in the videos. Went back and forth, reverted them, changed them a little bit, changed it around. Even as you can see here, created some instances, some variables, just to try to see if I can get it to pull out of the normal code and into the singleton and then push back over to the main page. Nothing I tried was able to work. I do got the delegate still working. I actually added it back in because I deleted it. It was one of the first steps. But the app does run smoothly now. I even added this little clear button since I was creating so many events and saving them, just trying to get the singleton to work. I ended up having to just put this clear event there instead of just writing in the code that this equals nil. Just make it a lot easier for me. And here it is. So if you swipe the wrong way on mine, it will actually tell you that's the wrong way. Swipe the other way. So swiping over, you can go ahead and try to close it, and it will actually close the page and tell you that it didn't save because, well, you didn't enter in a name. So let's go ahead now and enter in event 1 test, and we can close the keyboard, change the date to whichever date we want, forward, backwards, whichever way we want. Then go ahead and swipe it to close it, and it shows up right there. Go ahead and click that save button. It'll give you a nice little alert that your events have been saved. Again, you can add several, and it'll change it or it'll save it. Just save that one there. Go ahead and save that one, and just to show that it is saving what we want to, I'll go ahead and there we go. Just put this one on that screen, and I'm gonna go over here and stop the application from running. Go ahead and rerun it, and you should see there's only 2 events listed. There we go. There's only 2 events listed. The third one did not load. And then I got the clear, which will basically just clear any saved data, as well as clear everything that's on there. I just used just a tiny bit of code on that one. Excuse me. Right here, my clear data. Basically just runs the same thing except for the event string. Instead of it being the text view.text, I actually just created it as a nil, saved it, overriding everything else that's saved in the hard drive. Other than that, that is my code. I put all the code that grabs data in the on swipe feature, as that on swipe will be only used for that one purpose. I'm sure if I needed a swipe to go back and forth from other pages, I would actually put this inside of a different function and call that function once that swipe gets triggered. Other than that, I mean, I really did enjoy this week. Like playing with the UI a lot more. It was real neat. It's stuff that we learned this month, and I hope to see you guys on next month.